Okay, now we're going to the amenities. Nah, 6th floor. Tara. As you can see, kiddie room, play area, gym, function room, pool area, clubhouse, potting green. So you'll have the amenities of the 3 towers, all in one. You could have your parties here with us. The swimming pool is on the other side. Still have a view of the bay over there. Boss, asa swimming pool? Anong meron dyan? Ganito rin? We have another clubhouse like this on the other side over there. But we're going now to the swimming pool. So it's all interconnected. We're now on Tower 2. But the amenities are all in one. Aside from the fact that you're integrated with the mall, see, this is the pool area. This is the gym. See, it's all brand new. Patingin lang. Lahat. Kiddie pool, the swimming pool, the potting green is on the other side.